Hi, this is Ramesh Dontha with the AI Entrepreneurs. I'm at the UnoCare booth here. So I'm going to get a mental health assessment here. So I'm here with Suan Lee. And yeah, please go ahead.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for visiting us. I will show you something really amazing. So in this case, like I said, we don't sell the device. We are selling the software for personal. So if I press this, if I start.
So there is a camera here.
Yeah, but you can the camera is just normal one.
Okay, it's a normal camera. Okay.
Yeah.
Should I be looking at the camera? Or?
Yeah, well, anywhere is okay. Because the screening is start. So still you can see your heart rate and pulse without wearing any device.
Okay.
And this software will scan your blood pressure and blood flow and color change of your face and tension of your muscle and pupils as well. So after 15 seconds, you can see those results.
Okay, so what all results do I see here?
You can see, first of all, you can see the sympathetic nerve system level and parasympathetic nerve system. But as you know, our body is always fighting both sides to be balanced. But normally during the morning, people's parasympathetic nerve system level is a bit higher than this one.
Okay.
So this cannot be exactly same, but they're almost the same.
Okay.
But if there's a person who are suffering from depression, their parasympathetic nerve system level is way more higher than this.
I see.
So we can just see the possibilities of depression or something like that.
So it's able to recognize just my facial.
Yeah.
All right, and let's keep going.
And you can see those just brief assessments details. I will show you your anxiety score, which is quite good. But you are physically and mentally very energetic. But like I say, if there is a person who are suffering from depression, this score will be really low because they're not that really mentally energetic.
Yeah.
And stress level, which is quite good. And burnout, it's caution. The thing is, your stress level is not always related to burnout because stress level shows you your current situation, but burnout shows you how the accumulation of your stress.
Okay.
And physical vitality is quite normal, but autonomic balance is a bit imbalanced. You need attention. So you can see those explanations, and also these results will directly go to the hospital or GP. So doctors will give you some explanation and recommendation as well.
Got it.
And your heart rate is very low, which is quite good because you don't need to worry about your stroke or heart disease.
Okay.
And last one is a vascular condition, but it doesn't tell you your cholesterol level.
That's fantastic.
It is much more like about the vitality of your body.
Very good. Thank you very much.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
it.